Okay, hello everyone, this is Matthew here, and today I'm going to be teaching you your first lesson in trigonometry. The basics to trigonometry are SOHCAHTOA. And this is useful for right triangles when you know one side of a triangle, but you don't know one side of a triangle, and you know the angle, but you don't know the other two sides of a triangle, of the triangle. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a right triangle, and I'll show you what this means and how it's useful. Okay, so we have a right triangle here. And this angle right here is 45 degrees, and we're going to try and figure out x and y. So let's say we know AC, 8.41 centimeters, and we want to find x. So we write out this equation. So sine of angle B, so sine of 45.8 degrees equals opposite 8.4. I'll just do 8.4 over hypotenuse y. So you're probably saying, how do we figure out what sine is? Well, you can just enter it in your calculator and make sure it's in degree. It's doing it in degrees and not radians. Otherwise, your answer will be messed up. So sine of 45.8 degrees is about 0.72. So 0.72 equals 8.4 over y. And then to figure out y, we can multiply both sides by y and then divide by 0.72. So we'd have y equals 8.4 over 0.72. And we can just enter this in our calculator. Divided by 0.72 equals y, which is 11.6. So y is 11.6. Or you can say AB is 11.6, and let's measure this to see. We're very close. Very close. Well, actually, wait, I did that wrong. It'd be 11.7. Yeah. I rounded down on that one. So we're very close. If they ask for 2 decimals, then of course give them 2 decimals, but otherwise it's about 11.7, so I did that right. And then to find x, you could just do the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared, and then do c squared minus b squared to get a squared, and then do the square root of that to get x or a. But we're learning about SOHCAHTOA, so um we're going to do this using SOHCAHTOA. So I just made a new triangle. So we can see how to do this with with start over. So that's 45 degrees. So say I know this 1 point, and I know this, and we want to find x. So to find x, we do sine. So we did sine to get this side, but since we have we want adjacent to be in the equation, so we can either do TOA, tangent equals opposite over adjacent, or we could do cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. But I like it when what we're trying to find is on the bottom. So we'll do tangent. So tan 45.1. So tan equals op over adjacent, ADJ. So we got 45.1, and then so tan data equals, yeah. So tan 45.1 degrees equals opposite 8.3 over x. So then we can just do multiply both sides by x and then divide by tan 45.1 degrees. So we got x equals 8.3 over tan 45.1. And then I can just enter this. We can just enter this in our calculator. So we got 8.3 divided by tan 45.1. Oops, I think I did that wrong. 8.3 divided by tan. Let me try again. 8.3 divided by 8.3 divided by tan of 45.1. I'm not sure if this is working. Let me. I'll just. Okay, so we can just enter this in our calculator. So I'll do tan 45.1 first. So we got about 1.003. So 1.003. No, wait, no. 8.3 divided by 1.003. And we get 8.27. So if we were to measure this side, we should get about 8.27. 8.28. Yep. Very close. So that's how you can use SOHCAHTOA to find for when you know angle of a right triangle and you know one side, but you don't know the other two. Thank you for watching. In the next trigonometry video, I'm going to teach you about in the next trigonometry video, I'm going to teach you how to use the inverse for when you know two sides of a right triangle and you don't know either of the angle measures. I'm going to teach you how to use the in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to use the inverse of these functions to find the angle measures instead of finding the sides. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Please comment, rate, like, and subscribe. Oops. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Hope to see you in my next video.